All right, check it. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. Today we have the limited drop of the HiGround Yu-Gi-Oh collab that came back a little while ago. I know, I've been putting it off for way too long. So today, not only do we have one, but we have two HiGround Yu-Gi-Oh desk mats. And of course, the main reason why you're here is to check out the what? This bad boy right here. This is the Blue Eyes edition of the base camp that HiGround has did a collab with. So we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna open everything, check it out, and we're gonna go from there. Like, it's my very first HiGround keyboard. Listen, by all means, I'm not a keyboard snob, nothing like that. When I game, I usually play with a controller. So I'm excited to really unbox this keyboard, check it out, see what comes with it. If you never purchased a HiGround keyboard before, this is my first one again, like I said. So let's just go right into it, okay? All right, so before we can unbox the keyboard, right, we have to change out our desk mat. So you already know I had to pick up the Blue Eyes edition for the desk mat. Now the other desk mat that I have, the Millennium items. So unfortunately, they didn't mark which one was which, so we're gonna open up and see. And let's move this out the way. We're just tossing everything out. This is the first one open. First of all, look at the packaging on here. Look, when you talk about like doing a collab, you can see the Yu-Gi-Oh, you can see HiGround on here, you can see the main man himself, Kaiba. And then this is what you see Yugi, see Blue Eyes up here, and then like the top twist, and you see Dark Magician. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and let's see. This is when you talk about premium, this is premium right here. Oh, so the first one we opened up looks like it is the Millennium items. So this looks really nice from what I'm seeing right here. Let me just move this right here. So we're gonna open this. Pull this out the way. And of course, like any good roll, just, well, I guess I should do it the other way, right? Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a really large desk mat, as you can see. Wow, this is nice. This is some nice quality right here. Oh, this look. Ooh, I like this. You see the Millennium items that are right here for this. And you guys can't see it, so I'm gonna move this up. You have HiGround that's right here in this corner. And then you're gonna have the Yu-Gi-Oh, which is right here in this corner. But this is really nice. This is nice. I like this. I might use this as like a daily driver when I'm taking some photos, or when I'm doing just like, I think I might end up keeping this one on here for it. However, let's go ahead and let's open the other one that I've been personally excited about. This is the one I've been waiting for. This is the one right here. If you're a Blue Eyes fan, you are gonna enjoy this. And you know what? YouTube, guys, let me know in the comments, which one did you start with? Did you choose Blue Eyes White Dragon, or were you a Dark Magician type of person? Listen, I have respect for Dark Magician. Dark Magician's cool. But I don't know, it's something about Blue Eyes and a dragon that's like geared towards me. Ooh, as you can see, you have the HiGround Yu-Gi-Oh right here. Let's get this plastic out the way. And oh man, look at this. Oh my gosh, look how cool this is. I know you guys can't see the whole thing, but like it's really nice. Honestly, I'm just gonna move the camera right here. So that's pretty much the mat. Like you saw before, you had the HiGround Yu-Gi-Oh. It comes in the signature blue and white for the Blue Eyes White Dragon. You have the dragon right here. Oh, oh yes, 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 yes. Let's. Oh man, I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, these are the two desk mats that I have from HiGround. Now, they might have some HiGround usually does limited drop, so whenever they sell out, they sell out. So, but if you're a keyboard person, let me know if you have a HiGround keyboard. But this is the main one. Oh, this is the main one that we were here for. So this is my, like I said, my very first HiGround keyboard. It's only fitting that we do the Blue Eyes desk mat for the Blue Eyes keyboard. As you can see on the box right here for the keyboard, you have Yami and Dark Magician, you have Kaiba and Blue Eyes. This is just how the box look all around. You have HiGround right here. You have the collab right here and Yu-Gi-Oh on the other side. And apparently in the box, it comes with the keyboard, Type-C cable, keycap puller, and a switch puller as well. So these are the different items you get in here. And if you never heard about HiGround, HiGround is basically a peripheral company that blends in cultures of fashion, gaming, and technology. That's pretty much what they've done limited drops such as like Yu-Gi-Oh! They've done Gundam, Street Fighter. If you're an Attack on Titan fan, Jujutsu Kaisen, and their most recent collab that they just did was a Pokemon collab. So I wish I can get the Pokemon collab, but listen, I had to make some choices. As you know, adulting is hard. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up right now. And listen, let me just get this. I'm excited to start using this. I've had this for so long, and it's just life was just, doing its thing. And I'm so glad I have the time that I can do it. So look at this. Ooh, so in the box, you have the Dark Magician, Blue Eyes. I guess this is their their phrase they usually use. Look better up here. It comes with a HiGround sticker. So we have a HiGround sticker right here, right? Let's put that right there. They have an app come with some paperwork. A piece of paperwork on here that tells you how to use the different buttons. But this is what hold on. Let me just bend this down so you guys can see. Ooh, let's see. What can I pull up here? Oh, it just does the whole package. Okay, all right, okay. We can go from here. Let's take the keyboard out right here. Place the keyboard right here. Oh, it comes with another HiGround sticker. Look at that. And then underneath here, these are the different items you get. So let's move this box out the way. And place this on the side. So with the Blue Eyes version, you get this white USB Type-C cable. So it goes 8C. It's braided. It looks really nice, really like premium for it. Just so I can show you it. So let's put that here. Boom. I'm assuming this is the keycap puller right here. So this is has HiGround on it. And then I'm assuming this is the switch puller that comes with it. Now again, I'm not a keyboard buff. I don't game on keyboard. I do very light gaming on keyboard. Let me just say that. Like simple things on there. I'm not playing Apex, I'm not playing Destiny. But I just figured it's something that was part of my childhood. I wanted it. So you get the nice premium wrapping, and then let's go. Listen, we have to make this a whole gaming keyboard experience for you guys. Oh, look at, Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let me just put this down for you guys so you guys can see it. Oh wow. This looks so cool. Let me go here. As you can guys see, so you have the keys that shows blue eyes from like the signature card. If you own the original card in blue eyes, this is pretty much that design for it. um this is so cool. Like underneath you have I think what they called it so let me start back by going, this is the base. So HiGround has three different type of keyboards that they do. They have bass, they have performance, and they have their like ultra premium summit. This is the actual base one. Since I'm not that hardcore of a keyboard gamer, key and mouse player, I decided to just go with the base model. Now this is a 65% keyboard, compact form. Let me pull up the stuff for you guys. Just in case you wanted to know, it's USB-C, it has macro programming, RGB of course, and they have what's called like the side ninja printing letters. So if you look, all the letters, all the keys have the letters on the side of them for it. And like this feels like a nice little weight that's on here. Oh, but what's so cool is that that Kyber Corp, right there. Oh man, they're hot swappable. From what they're saying on the website, like aluminum plate. Like you guys would know more about this. I'll put a link in the description, so if you want to see all those details and everything for it, as of today, January 2nd, 2024, they do have it in stock if that's something you were looking into trying to purchase. But as you can see, you have the Kyber Corp that's right here. You have the Yu-Gi-Oh that's right here on the caps lock. The Shift has the HiGround for their representation. It is a like a clear translucent keyboard. Oh, look at that. You have the Yu-Gi-Oh right here on their side, on that logo side, and you have the Yu-Gi-Oh on this logo side as well. On the back has your USB-C port right here. And man, this just looks nice. Oh, it comes numbered? I didn't know that. Okay. So underneath it comes numbered. My keyboard is number, oh, you guys might be able to see it. Number 131. Hey, I'll take it. I didn't realize it came numbered. That's actually kind of cool to know. But yeah, and it has underneath it, you have HiGround right here. It's because it's white on clear that you might not be able to see it. But man, this looks really nice. Just like, let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear a sound test. So okay, you guys might be able to hear it with it. Let's just do a quick sound test for your keyboard enthusiast. Here you go. Ooh. I like how this sounds on here for it. It sounds real smooth. Like it doesn't sound like really clunky or anything like that. Like you can hear the yeah, that's pretty cool. That is really cool with that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this up just so you guys can see the RGB come into play, and hopefully it lights up from there. So let's go from there, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now we're back. I plugged up the keyboard, as you can see by the white braided cable, and here's the RGB. You have your RGB settings right here. And look at this. This is cool. And then look on the side. You get your RGB on the side, RGB on the other side. And underneath, you even get a little hint of that RGB that's right there for it. But look at that. Well, yeah, this is pretty much the keyboard for it. It's like I said, it's a 65% keyboard. For me, it's gonna take some time getting used to it. Because I have my 4 arrows that I love having right here and just the ninja side lettering and everything for it. But you know, I'm looking forward to using this keyboard, and who knows, maybe this might convert me to start gaming mouse and keyboard more often. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I've been holding on to that for so long, and I'm just glad I was able to just open this up with you all. And listen, I think if you guys like these type of things, definitely go ahead, check them out. Check out HiGround. Like I said, they do a lot of limited edition drops. You can do keyboards. They have keycaps, desk mats. They have like jelly bags. Sometimes they have apparel like hoodies, shirts, all of those. I'm not sponsored or anything by them. Again, if it wasn't for another content creator that goes by IMB Paula, I would have never known of HiGround. So shout out to him for putting me on, and I'm excited to actually use this keyboard as like a daily driver for just my everyday things. That being said, if you enjoy the content, consider giving the video a like. And if you really like me and the content, consider subscribing and checking out the next all my other stuff for 2024, just to start getting more out there and doing more content and doing more unboxings, going to reviews. I've seen my community has spoke on that, so look forward to some reviews coming up with some gaming stuff, and then we'll go from there. And then while you're at it, before you leave, tell me if you're gonna pick up a keyboard. Let me know what keyboard you're gonna do, or if any of those collabs look pretty dope. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.